What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, I wanted to make this video to talk about different coins that are honestly going to break out. In 2024, you look at where the altcoin season will be, um, what will happen with a lot of meme coins, and what's going to be popular kind of at the end of this year during the summertime, during the fall. Like, what's going to be the most popular projects to take off? And you could say, yes, a lot of these meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, Pepe, and all the ones that are at the top of the list are going to take off as well. But honestly, we're looking for these gems. When it comes to crypto investors, when it comes to retail traders, a lot of us don't have the same money that some of these bigger players have, that have, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of money to just put aside or put towards, crypto investing. And most of us, if we do have any of that money, are all invested into it right now and don't really have any capital to invest into any, later and during a later time, summer, fall, or maybe even getting into winter, right? But I want to talk about ones that I believe are going to take off, a sector that I believe is going to be very, very popular and probably have much more projects that are created under that specific sector. Now, it's not a different sector on CoinMarketCap, but honestly, it should be, because once that does take off, it's going to be something just like the metaverse or just like AI, not necessarily with the same use case at all, but definitely some popularity behind it. And those coins that I'm talking about are election coins. Guys, if you have the time or a chance to hit the like button, please feel free to hit the like button. It does help me out. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, feel free to go and check that out. You can't trade any of these coins on Margex, but you can trade up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin or Ethereum or BNB, 50x leverage on XRP or Jasmy coin, and then 25x leverage on some meme coins like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or Pepe. So feel free to check out that link down below. It should be at the top of the description. Now, what really got me into election coins? When you look at crypto tends to move based on things that are happening in real life, right? Let's say that's fake life. This is real life. Whatever is happening in real life over here, there's something that's created based on that event that's happening, right? You have Grok that was created based on the launch and the use of the Grok AI chatbot. Elon Musk says something about Pikachu, and you have Pikachu things that are created. Or Elon Musk says something about Dogecoin, and you have more and more Doge projects that are created. A real life event creates an impact within the crypto market. So, with that being said, the election, will have a major impact on the crypto market, and you'll have multiple projects, multiple coins that are created. So I wanted to kind of bring some your way and just kind of bring attention to the fact that these are available. Not necessarily saying that all of these will be, insanely popular, and will have a massive push to it, but a few that I do hold, I think will have a larger push than a lot of the rest. So, if we go into the meme coin market, we're seeing that overall meme coins are worth about $50.7 billion, and then you have $4.2 billion worth of volume in there. So, a lot of money flows into meme coins, and this would be classified as a meme coin. No matter what use they claim that it does have or what it brings to campaigns or whatever, it's about the fact that it's popular. That's all that it's about. And also, I want to preface before I get into those actual projects, I want to preface this by saying, look, I'm not for any specific side, no matter what will have more popularity or if the other one will have popularity. I'm not for any specific side. I just understand the popularity of the overall sector, just to kind of make that clear. But let's go into one of my watch lists. Now, we have my main watch list, right? My first watch list. And a lot of the ones that are moving, you're going to see two of the bigger ones or three of the bigger ones that are moving here. You have MAGA, you have Joe Biden, and you have, Super Trump. So if we go into my other watch list, which is election coins, you're going to see that you have all of these listed here. MAGA, Joe Biden and MAGA VP. I believe Super Trump should be over here, but for some reason it's not. But Super Trump definitely was something that did pick up as well. So if I go into my first watch list, let's just start there since it is everything, is higher than a lot of the other things that are moving in the market. But MAGA is up by 34 point or almost 35% today, 15% for the last 7 days. Currently at a 239 thousand or sorry $1 million market cap with $17 million worth of volume. This is one of the ones that have been absolutely taking off lately and is ranked 254. So it's no scrub, right? They've been doing big things and getting listed on exchanges. Just wait until you truly see the election time. No matter who it's for, you're not worried about if it's Trump or if it's Biden. You're not worried about who you're voting for or anything like that. What you are worried about is the amount of money that you can gain as this does gain more and more popularity. So MAGA Trump currently stands at $5.70. I believe the highest point that this got to, if I'm not mistaken, is over a $10 point. I believe it got to like a $12 level. The highest level was $11.56, which was on March 4th, 2024. I would expect this to go a lot further than just, that push up to $11.56. I expect it to go a lot further than that when we see election season, come about. Currently, you're seeing 7% volume to market cap ratio. During that time period, I'm probably expecting to see somewhere around 100, 200, maybe even 300% volume to market cap ratio on a daily. I currently have $1,236 worth of MAGA Trump. And I've always been thinking about buying more just because I want to see that overall growth. Right now, it's already up 34,000% in the last year, and I think it'll go a lot further than where we currently stand. Also, you have one that's at a lower stage, which is Joe Biden coin that's up 17%. Now, Joe Biden coin sits at a $2.5 million market cap. It has $155,000 worth of volume, and I would expect to see more exchanges, more traction, more people that are talking about this as well, because not only are you're gonna have one side, you're gonna have the other side. And this currently sits at a $2.5 million market cap. Now, I have $289 worth of Joe Biden coin, and I do plan on getting a little bit more before, you guys even see this video. And that's because I feel as though on the other side, I want to make sure I have a comparable amount on both sides so that just in case both of them blow up, then it's great. Or if one absolutely explodes, I'm gaining the difference in whatever I may have lost or whatever I didn't gain as much over on the other side. You know what I mean? So currently sits at a $2.6 million market cap. They only have Uniswap that's available. So hopefully you can see more and more traction that's there and more connection to more exchanges so that you can see a lot more volume, because right now 155,000 is not going to do it. And that's what kind of draws people away, is the fact that you're only seeing Uniswap and 155,000. But yeah, that's an option there. So these are two positions that I do own. I don't own Super Trump, nor do I own MAGA VP, but I can tell you that I believe the election coins will take off. Election coins will be worth a lot more. So Super Trump, I would imagine, is going to be worth more than $7.6 million. And I believe they have more exchanges available, right? MEXC, LBank, Bitmart. So obviously Joe Biden coin is lagging behind. I think there was another one that was like Bo Jiden or something, and I couldn't seem to find it, but I think that was a higher market cap, if I'm not mistaken. But any of these election coins are going to make a move. I 100% believe that we're going to see the popularity there because of what's happening in real life, what's going to happen over here on the meme side. So I'm excited to see what it's going to be. Let me know if you have any election coins in your portfolio. Let me know how much you have of that. If it's $100, $200, $1,000, let me know what you have. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Make sure you guys check out the link for Margex down below if you want to sign up and start trading there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.